Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road just off the Trans-Canada Highway in Duncan, BC, in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island. Today we're looking at a 2006 Honda Civic LX in Galaxy Grey. With a grey cloth interior and seating for 5, this 4-door sedan has a 1.8-liter 4-cylinder front-wheel drive engine. It's easy to get into this vehicle. Just talk to our sales team. They'll be happy to take you out on a test drive. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as powered locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat is manually adjusted. Just below there is your fuel cap release and your trunk release. Off to the side are your lighting controls, dash lights, and dash controls. There's also a couple of little storage bins. Your steering wheel can tilt and telescope. On the face of your steering wheel, you have cruise control. I'm just going to start up the vehicle for you. Up above in the dash is where you'll see any important messages. There's also a menu you can toggle through. Odometer, outside temperature, trip A, trip B, oil life, and background again to odometer. Off to the side there's your media display screen with AM/FM radio, CD, and auxiliary line in. CD player located just there with your volume and tuner. Below that is climate control with AC and max AC, as well as front and rear defrost and your heated side view mirrors. Just there are your hazard lights. Below that is a storage bin and 12-volt outlet. Some more storage there, automatic shifter, emergency brake, some more storage, and then in here this part slides back to reveal a couple of cup holders. And then in your armrest there's a clip on the end there. Give that a press and there's plenty of storage in there. Off to the side's your glove compartment. Up above, manually dimming rear view mirror, lighting controls, and grab handles in the body to make it easier to get in. 16-inch wheels, body colored door handles, driver's side fuel cap. When you're ready to open up that trunk, you can do so from the inside, which I've already done, or you can use the key in the keyhole there. When it's been released, simply walk up, put your hand just below that Honda badge, and pull up. The inside's nice and roomy and also carpeted. Just on the left-hand side there is the pulley to fold down that rear seat. When you're ready to close up that trunk, simply put your hand on the top there and pull down. It's now securely closed. You can lock it up and walk away, or head out on your latest adventure. Storage in the door, as well as powered windows. The rear seat has bench style seating for 3. When you're ready to access that cargo area, there's a pulley in the trunk, which I've already pulled. From there, simply take your hand behind the seat there and pull down to enlarge the cargo space. Up above are anchors for baby seats. When you're ready to put that seat back up in its original position, simply take your hand underneath the seat there and push until the seat clicks in its upright position. At the base of the seat are anchors for baby seats. On the floor, carpeted mat. Behind the front seat, slim pocket. And up above, hooks, handles, and lighting. Privacy glass, heated and powered side view mirrors, halogen headlights, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.